Hey everybody, I wanted to take a quick minute to respond to a video that Jesse did over on Still It, and it was called What Happened to George and Bearded and Bored. Um, a lot of us have been wondering what happened with George and Bearded. He kind of went into that information, and I'm not going to speak to any of that because I don't have any knowledge to offer. But I do want to say thanks to George for the many years and many videos you've put out. They've helped me tremendously, and so thank you for everything that you've done, and whatever you're doing, I hope you're well. As far as Bearded, man, I'm glad you're coming back, brother. So I look forward to seeing what you're going to be putting out. So that's all I have to say about that part of the video. What I really wanted to respond to was something Jesse said. He said that YouTube is not a zero-sum game, meaning that there doesn't have to be losers for there to be winners. And I completely agree with that statement. So he went on to shout out some up-and-coming YouTube channels in the distilling space, or at least adjacent to the distilling space. And I thought that was really great. I thought that was really classy, and I think it is a wonderful idea for us to all help lift each other up in the distilling community. The more we help each other, the more it helps all of us. And I totally agree with that. And it has inspired me to kind of do something of my own for this channel. Whenever I find content out there that is useful to the Still in the Clear community, I'm going to make a little short video about it, and I'm going to say, hey, here's this video, it's pretty awesome, it's got this, this, and this in it, whatever, and I'm going to share it with the Still in the Clear community in the hopes that maybe they find it valuable, and it might also help another distilling channel. And I want to say to the other distilling channels out there, if you want to do any kind of collaboration with us, just let me know. We'll work something out, and let's all help each other. So that's all I had to say. It was just a quick response to what I felt was a really great video, and very classy, and shows some great integrity there, Jesse. That's pretty awesome. So that's all I got. Talk to you later.